Imagine walking into your home after a long day, taking a deep breath, and instead of a fresh, welcoming scent, you're hit with something stale, sour, or even musty. Your home might look spotless, but the truth is, the stink is hiding right beneath your feet. Yes, I'm talking about your carpet. Carpets are like giant sponges. They trap dust, food crumbs, pet hair, sweat, and even bacteria. Over time, all of this builds up into an invisible layer of filth that not only makes your house smell bad, but can also trigger allergies and headaches. And here's the shocking part. Vacuuming alone doesn't solve it. But don't worry. Today, I'm going to reveal some unbelievable yet simple ways to bring your carpets back to life and make your home smell fresher than ever, using safe, natural methods you never thought of. But before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because what I'm about to share will save your carpets, your money, and maybe even your health. Why carpets smell in the first place. Let's start with the why. Every step you take on your carpet pushes dirt and moisture deeper inside. Spilled drinks, pet accidents, or even walking barefoot after a shower. All of this gets absorbed. But here's the catch. Most chemical sprays only mask the odor temporarily. They don't remove the source, which is why the smell always comes back. The baking soda miracle. The first unbelievable trick is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. Baking soda. This powder is a natural deodorizer. Sprinkle it generously across your carpet, let it sit overnight, and vacuum it up in the morning. The result? Baking soda pulls out trapped odors like a magnet, leaving your carpet smelling neutral and fresh. White vinegar, the odor neutralizer. If your carpet has a strong, stubborn smell, like pet urine, vinegar is your best friend. Fill a spray bottle with equal parts vinegar and water, then lightly mist the carpet. Don't soak it, just a gentle spray. Steam for a deep refresh. Sometimes the stink is so deep that only steam can fix it. You don't need expensive professional cleaners. Many hardware stores rent steam cleaners for a low price. The hot steam kills bacteria, lifts dirt, and completely resets your carpet. Unbelievable. Hack coffee grounds. Here's one most people don't know. Coffee grounds can neutralize carpet odor. Just place bowls of dry coffee grounds around the smelly room and leave them overnight. They absorb foul odors from the air, and by morning, your home smells rich and fresh, like a cafe. Hydrogen peroxide for stubborn spots. If the stink is coming from a specific spot, like a pet accident, hydrogen peroxide is a lifesaver. Mix 1 part hydrogen peroxide with 2 parts water and spray directly on the stain. It disinfects, kills odor-causing bacteria, and lifts the stain. The magic of sunlight and fresh air. One of the most unbelievable yet forgotten methods? Simply taking your rugs outside into the sun. Sunlight naturally kills bacteria, while fresh air removes trapped smells. Just a few hours outside, and your carpet smells like new again. DIY carpet freshener powder. Here's a fun one. Create your own carpet freshener. Mix 1 cup of baking soda with a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Preventing carpet odors in the future. Of course, the best hack is prevention. Place doormats at every entrance so less dirt gets inside. Vacuum at least twice a week to stop buildup. And if you have pets, clean up accidents immediately with vinegar or peroxide instead of letting them sink in. The emotional truth about fresh carpets. A fresh-smelling home isn't just about cleanliness, it's about comfort. Smell is directly linked to memory and mood. A stinky carpet can make your whole house feel dirty, even when it looks clean. But a fresh carpet? It gives you peace, confidence, and pride in your home. A fresh home without chemicals. So, there you have it. Unbelievable ways to freshen up stinky carpets using simple natural tricks like baking soda, vinegar, sunlight, essential oils, and even coffee grounds. The truth is, your carpets don't just need cleaning. They need refreshing. And if you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Big Sweep. Because a fresh home isn't just spotless, it's unforgettable. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community,